Oh my god, they already have the Trojan horse up for the Odyssey movie. It is huge. In middle school, I did a stick replica of this. If I have a picture of it, I'll show it here because it was a pretty iconic project. But this is freaking cool. I am so excited for this movie. It says the Odyssey. This is crazy. Universal is having their mega movie summer, which means they have characters, new merch, new food, and a lot of stuff going on at the parks and a special studio tour. So we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the day today at Universal. Come along with me. And for my outfit, I'm a little bit Fast and the Furious themed, a little bit Hello Kitty themed, a little bit of everything going on here. There is some food I want to try, and I'm waiting on my mobile order for that. But first, we're gonna go into the Universal Studios merch store, the big one at the front, and we're gonna go ahead and see what new merch they have out. I heard they have some for the Minions. I also heard that they have some new Wicked merch out, so I'm very excited to see what they have. And also the Fast Ride is opening soon, so maybe they have some Fast and Furious merch. My fiance loves it, so I might get him a little something. His birthday just passed, so I think it's the perfect time to go ahead and do that. I also staring at some new Shrek merch, I think, right there. So we'll see. We will see about that. But yes, I'm very excited. It's going to be such a fun day. And they have all the mega movie summer stuff out. Yeah, there's the Shrek shirt. It's kind of cute. I kind of love the tie-dye, actually. I might get it. They also have these slides that are Shrek and Donkey. Absolutely adorable. Most handsome in all of the land with Charming, the Shrek meme, lots of fun Shrek stuff over here. I also love the bag charms. They have some pins. Very cute. Also have these bag charms for Shrek and Donkey. They also now have these hair ties, which they're actually so cute. Fiona and Shrek. The buttons here. I'm actually like loving this. The little Night Fury bag charm here. Toothless, so cute. I do also like this pink Yoshi bag. It is so cute. It is a little big for my taste, but I do love that it's pink. It's so cute. Also, these shorts are so cute. Lots of cute Nintendo stuff too. Okay, you guys know every time I come here, I'm like, I should get a water bottle, and I never do, but like actually, she's my girl. Oh my god, this might be the one. This might be the one. They always have some new Harry Potter stuff going on, like these pens and stuff, but these bag charms are very cute. Alright, looks like we're not going to buy anything right now, but our food is ready. We're heading over to Hollywood and Dine, which is currently called Drift and Dine for the new Fast and Furious ride. So I'm trying some of the new stuff, and I'm very, very excited, so let's head over. It says Drift and Dine. All the options. Alright guys, so we have the Grill Master Burger from Hollywood and Dine, which is the Fast and Furious Cafe right now. So it's a burger bun with peppers and onions, grilled, Thousand Island dressing, and all the other normal burger stuff down here. It also comes with seasoned fries. I'm so excited to try this for my lunch today. I've been craving a good burger, so fingers crossed. And I love grilled peppers and onions, and I love Thousand Island dressing. So I'm very, very excited for this. My mouth is watering. Alright guys, so we have the burger. Let's give it a try. Here we are. Look. Let me take a few bites and process. The burger is really good. It's cooked really well. It's kind of fallen apart a little bit, but the peppers and the onions on top, so good. I wish there was a little bit more Thousand Island dressing. It is just also a burger. Also there's pickles, because I didn't know that, but I love pickles, so amazing. But yeah, it is just a theme park burger. It's the better of the theme park burgers I've had, but it's not anything special, but it's fun that it's themed, and I do love the grilled onions and the grilled peppers and the Thousand Island dressing, so it's probably like a 7 out of 10 for me. Again, better of the theme park burgers that I've had, but still just a burger, but I'm gonna enjoy it. And it's a great portion for dinner or for lunch. You get a good portion of fries and a whole burger. and it was for this and one of the special drinks, it was less than $30 with my annual pass. So I really think that this is definitely worth it for a meal here. Yeah. It is here for the Mega Movie Summer. They're doing like this big Fast and Furious thing, obviously for the new ride. Mega Summer Movie Event. So there is a lot of options on the menu, like this, for example, but this was a safer choice for me, and I'm glad I did it because I've been craving a burger. It is so good. I'm glad that I got it. They also come with like some seasoned fries. It smells like paprika or Old Bay or something like that, so we'll give it a try. They need more seasoning. Also, I don't love thick fries, so these are just okay for me. But good to fill up, a good addition to the little burger. And then you can always add ketchup, so fries are okay. The burger's the big hitter here, but it is very good. Yeah. Okay guys, I also have the Orange Nitro Rush from Drift and Dine for the Fast and the Furious movie. It is also a part of Mega Movie Summer, and it looks crazy because it is. It is a Fanta orange drink with NOS energy drink, of course, because it's supposed to be like the NOS drink, like, you know, when they go into hyper mode and go really fast in the movie, so it's supposed to be like that energy burst. And then it has mango puree and some pear puree or pear juice in it, and then the vanilla, and it has a sweet cold foam on top. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but there is like sprinkled of tahini a little bit on top. So very interesting drink, but I'm very excited to give it a try. It does have energy drink in it, so this is replacing like a coffee or a cold brew today, but we're going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm very excited. Cheers! Let me get another sip. I got a lot of cold foam, so it was just like vanilla. So let me get another sip. Okay. I'm actually getting more mango than anything. That's like the big flavor. Obviously the first flavor is sweet from the cold foam, and then the mango really hits strong. I don't really taste the energy drink, but I've never had one, so I don't really know what it tastes like. But the mango puree is really speaking to me in this. I don't really taste the Fanta. It really just tastes like mango juice with a little bit of sweetness on top from the cold foam. But then the tahini does hit at the end, which is a good salty spice. I wasn't sure if I was going to enjoy it, but it's like strong mango with a little bit of sweet, and then the tahini spice and saltiness right after, and it tastes so good. It's a perfect summer drink, and definitely very much themed for Fast and the Furious, the perfect theme. So I mean, and it's pretty good. I'm gonna enjoy this. It's very refreshing. I wish that some of the other flavors were a little bit stronger. I wish the drink itself flavors were a little bit stronger, but it is pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 out of 10, and I'm gonna enjoy it. It's very yummy. It's Dracula. I also now have Glinda and Elphaba back from meet and greets. This is so cool. They have Toretto's Fast and Furious. See, we have Willie's Coupe from Fast 3, it looks like. That is so cool. So cool. There's so much stuff here. And the music. And then, so that one's back there, and right across from it is this other one celebrating 25 years of Fast and Furious. And we have some other prop cars from the movies. This is from Too Fast, Too Furious. And then you have the cute little sign up there. And then this one as well, Too Fast, Too Furious. Very cool. Here's the ride. It looks like people are testing it. I saw people walking in. Unfortunately, I will not be testing it, but it's still very cool either way. There's a little ride vehicles, and this is what the entrance looks like. And then it has this mural. And of course, they have the infamous cars from Too Fast, Too Furious here. How cool. They've been here for a little bit, but it looks very cool now with that in the back. And knowing the ride's gonna be here, you know? Very cool. I don't think anybody's on it, but they're testing it. All right, I went across the street to the store because I saw they had all the Fast and Furious merch here, all the new stuff. This is so funny. That shirt's actually cute. And they have this whole wall here with some of the Fast merch. So fun. The poster is pretty cool, actually. I might
get that for my fiance. And actually, I don't hate that shirt. The color's kind of wild, but you know, kind of fits. Lots of fun stuff. They also now have a Fast Spirit jersey. Alright, they also, like I said, have the Spirit jersey. Here it is. It's checkerboard at the bottom with the Fast logo here. And on the back of it just says Fast and the Furious and the neon yellow. So fun. So if you're a Spirit jersey collector and you love this movie, they now have a new one. I also just saw, I don't know if this is new, but it's new to me. They have a Sailor Moon Spirit jersey. So how fun is that? I have not seen that yet. Very cute. They also have the Sailor Moon shirt, which is very cute. Also, to go with the Fast and Furious theme, I just have this shirt. It's technically a Lightning McQueen shirt and a Need for Speed shirt, right? But I figured it like fit. So I have this, and I liked that it was a white tank top. And then I just have a green skirt with it and some sneakers. Yep, just a cute little outfit. And then I also have stars in my hair. I thought it fit. Just sort of a Fast and Furious themed look today. So if the front store is too crowded, you can always come here. It has all the same new merch. One of the big things right now for Mega Movie Summer is they have the boat from the Odyssey movie that's coming out this summer on the studio tour. So that is one of the main things I wanted to do today, and that's exactly where we're headed right now. Studio tour is a 25-minute wait, which is pretty good. So we're gonna hop on. It is also my favorite ride here. I wonder if there's gonna be anything else for Mega Movie Summer on the studio tour, but I know that's the big one.
Whose feet do not touch the floor. Please do not use selfie sticks. You could probably stop the
TV when I was about 8 or 9.
Show on the lot right next door in Stage 33. I let me go back and born in 1930. And right after that, Universal started making horror films, and many of them to capture Chernobyl for Disney's Pirates of the The music like now, yeah, there's a shark out there, but don't worry, that shark has been trained to retrieve yellow objects. It is meant to be like. Right, Jake? Right. And well, at least we didn't all get so. Oh! What? It is never have I ever heard. And yes, it is also known as wisteria, a much larger structure. And by the way, oh, don't touch him back there. Don't touch him. The airplane crash site is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a small-time Southern California amusement park. Oh, that's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No. What's it about?
For the Odyssey, we wanted to take audiences on Odysseus' incredible journey across the world, across this mythical world of adventure, and went out on the oceans of the team.
Can't wait for you to see the Odyssey, Christopher Nolan, and here's a little taste.
I can still see.
Right when you get off the tram, they have this photo op right here. How cute! I just got off the studio tour. I had so much fun. I hadn't gone into the King Kong one. I think it's been closed or something, or maybe I guess I just been unlucky recently, but I got to go into King Kong again, which I love. I love going into the King Kong stage. I love the studio tour. It's so much fun, but to see the Odyssey boat was so cool. I am such a fan of like Greek myths, so I'm very excited for this. I was an archaeology major in school. I was inspired by the Greek myths to go study pottery and things and the ancient Greek culture, and I'm so excited for the movie, and it was so cool to see the boat and the movie set. I also just love the studio tour. It's always one of the best rides, and I didn't wait that long for it, so I'm very, very happy that I got to go and see the boat from the Odyssey movie, and now I'm even more excited for it. And there were some new things to the studio tour that I hadn't seen before. Some of the clips were new, and so I had a blast. But now, one of the last things I do want to do, I kind of want to walk around and see what else they have going on for Mega
Mega Movie Summer, but I do know that Glenda and Elphaba are back out, so I want to see if I can catch one of them and just say hi before we head out, because we did do a lot today already, but let's see. Let's go see if we can find them. Oh my god, it's Odyssey, and that is crazy. Okay, the Fast and Furious coaster is going, and I just heard screams, so I think some people are testing on it, which is really cool. I'm gonna try to get a video because this ride looks sick. It was really fun. This one's empty, but look how cool. Oh my god. So it looks like every couple of carts they are testing the roller coaster, which is so fun, which means it'll open up soon. It says summer 2026, and we're almost right in the middle of it, so fingers crossed it opens soon. Looks like there's a small performance in front of the cars. Show was so much fun. Those dancers were so talented. Definitely go watch that because they were a lot of fun, a lot of high energy. I had a lot of fun watching them dance, and they danced to like 5 or 6 different songs. They're very, very talented. You can see the launch over here, sort of by that store I pointed out earlier. There's the launch of the ride, and then you'll be able to see part of it coming back down here too. See things turning. Oh, here we go. This is where it launches. Cars look so cool. And then you go down, launch, woo! Down you go. Very cool to see all the like behind the scenes things available. Like how cool. Guys, Elphaba was here, so we popped in line. I can't wait. The backdrop is so beautiful. You could see Oz and a wicked sign, and then there's flowers here, which I think they're tulips, but they kind of look like poppies. Very cute. Very famous stories. Yes. Alright, I just finished meeting Elphaba. She's so kind. Her line was short, but you guys need to meet her. She's so beautiful. I always get nervous when I meet characters, so I like start to stutter, but she was so beautiful and nice, and oh my god, it was just such a great moment. They are such wonderful characters to meet, and they are back for the Mega Movie Summer. I don't know how long they'll be here, but they're not normal characters, so come meet them if you can. Glenda's probably going to come out soon, but oh my god, I got to meet Elphaba. I love meeting her. So much fun. Alright, so I actually think that's going to end our vlog for the Mega Movie Summer. I had such a good day. I had wonderful snacks. I had such a fun time. I am going to be filming a Minions video soon with the rest of the Mega Movie Summer stuff, but of course the Minions movie had come out. Of course, there's more you can do. I had such a fun day today. The studio tour was so cool. Meeting Elphaba was so cool. The snacks were good and filling. I had a wonderful day at Universal. I love being a pass holder. Thanks for coming along with me. If you have a chance to come visit for Mega Movie Summer, do it. They have some fun stuff going on and some great merch. But that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye! Glinda is out now too.